I just bought the two hottest epilators on the market. The latest Braun Silk Epil 9 for $150 and the Philips 8000 for $80. I bought them with my own money to give you an honest review of which one you should buy. But that's not all. We are also going to discover how they perform versus other epilators on the market. Chapter 1. Efficiency. Both epilators rotate at approximately 2,000 rotations per minute at max. That's great for parts of the body that are not sensitive. For the rest, they also have a gentle mode. Now, the innovation that sets the Braun Silk Epil 9 apart is the auto mode, a third mode that will adapt the speed to the pressure you apply to the epilator. The stronger you push, the faster it gets. Another main difference is in the tweezers. You know, those little things that you'd use to pull hair manually? The same, but multiplied and at fast speed. The Silk Epil 9 has 40 of them. That means that you can go very fast on non-sensitive surfaces, like legs, for instance. Philips has fewer, only 32. But there's a twist. It is the only epilator I've seen that uses ceramic tweezers instead of metal ones. Fewer tweezers means less speed, and ceramic can mean less grip on short or thin hair. But ceramic tweezers mean a more gentle grip and no heat conduction. That is great to avoid irritation with a more gentle and hygienic grip on the hair. Therefore, both epilators have strong innovations to bring to the table. The Silk Epil 9 is a strong option for people that value efficiency overall. With its multiple tweezers, it even has a slightly longer battery life during epilation. But Philips might be a solid option to consider if you plan on doing only sensitive areas, for instance. Chapter 2. Comfort and Design. The Silk Epil 9 can come with the basic massaging epilation head and a shaver head according to which pack you buy. But this model is compatible with the face spa accessories of the Silk Epil 9 Flex, its older brother. So I would not be surprised to see a pack with brushes for the face, or even a sensitive area cap to be released soon. By the way, there's a video about the Silk Epil 9 Flex on the channel. Go see it, we even broke it open. On the other hand, the Philips is pretty generous with accessories. There is a precision cap, a massaging head, an accessory to maximize contact with the skin, and the handy shaving head. In some other packs, they even include pedicure and face spa accessories. So for now, Philips clearly wins this round, especially if you are new to epilating and want to try what kind of accessories suit you best. Now for the general design of the products. Not much to say, to be honest. Both have a light to highlight remaining hair, good grip, same weight, and overall look. The only innovation in design is the rotating head from Braun that once again is very optimized for speed and efficiency. If you are standing under the shower and want to go quickly, this can be a good feature to have. Oh, and speaking of showers, both epilators are waterproof, by the way. Chapter 3. Durability. What's important in an epilator is that you can clean it easily and from the inside out. You can open the head of both models pretty easily to make sure there is no hair clogging the gear, making sure they last longer and are sanitized. So that's good. But what's not so good about both models is that it's hard for both to access and change the battery, meaning their life is conditioned to the battery life, even if the rest of the epilator functions well. And same with spare heads, it's really hard, near impossible actually, to find a new spare one, or even other spare parts in case you need to replace them. So don't consider those epilators like products you buy for life. That is very different from the Silk Epil 7 that has spare batteries and heads available online, which makes it an epilator you can upgrade, so virtually usable for life. More on that on our channel. Conclusion. For beginners that are new to epilating, that don't yet have a routine, I'd buy the Philips 8000, especially if your main focus is sensitive areas. You'll have lots of accessories to discover, and its innovative, hygienic, and gentle tweezers are good if you want to take your time. Since Philips 8000 is nearly 50% cheaper than the Silk Epil 9, that's definitely a safe option for your first epilator. If you are more experienced, this is not your first rodeo and you plan on doing whole body sessions fast and often, Braun Silk Epil 9 all the way, no doubt. Speed over options. Even more important, if you travel a lot, its premium case, travel safety feature, and small charger will finish making the Braun Silk Epil 9 the best option for fast-paced traveling people. That's it. If this has been useful to you, consider subscribing to the channel. That's free for you and worth a ton for me. Oh hey, knock knock, still there? Hesitating on what to buy? I reviewed all the most recommended epilators on the market in this video. Consider watching it. Bye.